Want to clear notifications on your Apple Watch quickly and easily? In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to manage or delete them in seconds. But before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more helpful videos from us. Now, start by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel on your Apple Watch. Once you're there, scroll up until you see the Clear All option. Tap on Clear All to delete all notifications at once. Simple and efficient. If you'd rather manage or delete individual notifications, here's how to do that. Swipe left on a specific notification and you'll see two icons, a three-dot icon and an X icon. Tap the X icon to delete just that notification. If you tap the three-dot icon instead, more options will appear. You can choose to mute notifications for 1 hour or turn off notifications completely for that app. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is now notification-free or fully customized to your liking. If this helped, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it.